how to clean a window super fast. I've been cleaning windows for years. So first we want to make the mop water, and this is a secret right here. You need soap. I like the Ivory soap, and so I have it filled up, not quite half. I could have put more, but put some soap in there, and you want to go ahead and mix the soap up. Now before we go and mop the window, what is actually important to do, and by the way, if you have a ladder, I love these ladders. You can take a squeegee and put it right about there just to hold it. Okay, you don't want to really store your squeegee like that, like on something because of the rubber. So you want to have it like this, maybe up in here, or maybe like so. Now we want to go with the window, and there may be cobwebs around the window. So you can get a cobweb duster, I might put a link. And it's nice if it's on a pole, and just kind of go around the window and dust for cobwebs. And there might even be like a bunch of stuff. You might even want to kind of get in the edges as well, and maybe even do the windows. Also the screens, can be nice to dust the screens. So once you've done that, you are ready to progress to the next step. Now you need rags. There's different kinds of microfiber rags here. Okay, I might put a link up for some rags, and then it's nice to have cotton rags. Okay, so what I want to do is take this, have it mixed up good. There's a few bubbles in there. Bring the ladder over here, and you don't want to drip the water all over the rags. You might want to put the mop right there. Now, one thing that can be done is the windows can be scraped. Now this window could be scraped, but I might do another video where I put paint on the window and then I go ahead and scrape it after I put the paint on, just to show you how it is. So I don't really want to scrape the window right now, but one thing is, once you get the window wet, the dirt can kind of like start breaking down. So one way to do it is to go ahead and mop this and this, maybe mop this again, and then go ahead and squeegee this while this one has been soaking, and then maybe mop it one more time and then squeegee that. But let's just go ahead. Here's how to clean a window. Take the mop, go over the window, maybe scrub it a couple times. Take the microfiber rag, kind of run it around like so. And here we go. Take a cotton rag. You can then proceed to finish cleaning the window by drying the edges with the cotton rag.